Hey, it's Sabrina WYD, and today we're doing a DIY. Hey, it's Sabrina WYD, and what are we doing today? We're doing a DIY. What are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? Sabrina, what are you doing? A DIY. Yeah, that way. One of my favorite things to order from Sonic has been discontinued. And I don't know why Sonic discontinued their shakes and some of their slushies. So I'm just really butthurt because I drove up to a Sonic and whoop-diddy-doo, it's not on the menu. I was like, hey, why don't I just find the recipe? Well, I'm here to make it to see if it tastes real similar because I miss that shake. Sonic, if you're watching this, why? What? I want to know why. But let's just start this thing. So you're gonna need half a cup of coconut cream, Coco Lopez, half a cup of milk, grass-fed organic milk, it's very good for you. 3 cups of vanilla ice cream. I found this in the fridge. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of whipped cream for garnish. I don't really know people that measure whipped cream. 1 teaspoon of graham cracker crumbs. Shibiggity. A blender. Something that's extra, but I got was coconut shavings. As you can see, this video is sponsored by Save-A-Lot because it's up the street around the corner. We're gonna put our bangs up. I guess you just throw it all in the blender. I realized I brought 0 measuring items up here. So I guess the serving is 1 cup, 1 large ordered cup. So I'm just gonna combine the whole can because I'll give some to my mom. Wait, were you supposed to shake this? Product of Dominican Republic. Hey baby. Shake well before using. You know what, we're gonna shake it up in a blender. Come on, sir. Take your time. Half a cup, we're just gonna, if that's, say the can was a full cup, a cup. Ice cream. 3 cups. Would 3 cups be 3 scoops? You know what? We're learning together. It's a hot day here in Florida. 1 scoop for luck. Sonic. Vanilla extracts. A teaspoon. We're gonna add them flakes, y'all. Some ASMR. Enough. Oops. Keep your surfaces clean. Life hack. Please don't call me right now. When I went to a Sonic, probably the last time I went, they asked, actually no, they didn't even ask. They put graham cracker inside of the shake, and I was like, what the hell? I want it smooth. I had it and I was low key. That actually tasted pretty good. Do you like that sound? super ready on and milkshake. I didn't know if it was gonna stop on its own. I forgot a straw. It smells like coconut oil. Not the consistency I am looking for. That may be my fault. What the heck? You know what, let's just try it. This is gonna give me a stomach ache because I eat none of the stuff that was on the table here. I miss Sonic. They ain't gotta do that. And I hope this video seen in the headquarters, and we can whip out that extended menu again. Something that I'm gonna start doing every single video now is 5 pieces of clothing from another decade, and they're gonna be 50% off for that week. Every single video until the next one comes and a new set of 5. So these are our 50s for the week. 2 weeks. Next video. The 50s of now. They're gonna be 50% off, like no code needed. They're already gonna be like deducted. I'll just leave the names of each one in the description so you could go check them out. And the link to another decade is always the first thing in the description. That's for all today. That's all for today. Tell me if you make that shake. Let me know how it came out. Let me know what you did differently. Give me some tips. Check out these clothes, anotherdecade.com. And yeah.